Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your homes. So this is me, Wazim from The Educators for Class, and today is 4th of August, Wednesday, and this video is for class 4 English. Okay, so class, this is your reading circle book, Oxford Reading Circle for class 4. Take out page number 41. Today we will start at chapter number 5, paper boards. Basically it's a poem. So read. Day by day I float my paper boards one by one down the running stream. Underline the word float. Float means to move on water, on the surface of water without sinking. Day by day I float my paper boards one by one down the running stream. Underline the word streams. Streams means a narrow river. Next line, in big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. So on the paper boards the poet write his name and the name of his village. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. Underline the word strange. Strange means unusual. So the poet write the name of his village and his name on the board just to in hope that someone will find that and know who the poet is. I load my little boards with shuli flowers from our garden. Underline the word shuli. Here is the meaning. Shuli means white, highly fragrant flowers that bloom at night. Shuli flowers from our garden, and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. So the poet loaded the boards with shuli flowers which are present in his garden in hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. I launch my paper boards and look up into the sky. Underline the word launch. Here is the meaning. Launch means to start and to send forward in the water. I launch my paper boards and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. Underline the word bulging. Here is the meaning. Bulging means jutting, sticking out, swelling in the wind. I know not what playmate of mine, playmate means a person who plays with you in the sky, sends them down the air to race with my boats. Next page. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms. Underline the word bury. Bury means hide. It's a phrase to bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boards float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. Underline the word lading. Lading means cargo, goods that are carried. So it's a poem. In this poem the poet wants to tell us that he write his name on his and his village name on the board just in a hope that someone will find these boards and know who the poet is. He loaded the boards with flowers from his garden and he dreamed that the fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. Okay, so we will do the exercise A in your copy. Question number 1. What does the poet write on his paper boards? The poet write his name and the name of his village on the paper boards. Question number 2. Why does he write on his paper boards? He write on his paper boards because he wants someone to find them and know who the poet is. Question number 3. Why does the poet load his boat with flowers? The answer, the poet load his boat with flowers because he hoped that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land. Question number 4. In what ways are the clouds like the boat? The clouds seem to have bulging sails like a ship. Question number 5. What happens in the poet's dreams? The poet dreams that his paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. So these are the questions you will do in your copy. Okay, so first of all you will make the title page of chapter number 5, paper boats. Then on the next page, maintain the page, draw a second margin line, write VL means video lesson, write chapter, date and exercise A in the header. Copy the question from the book. What does the poet write on his paper boards? Underline the question, then write down the answer. Similarly, you will do all the 5 questions in your copy. So class, this is your homework. First of all, you will make the title page of chapter number 5, paper boards. Then you will do the title picture explanation of this picture. What you can see in this picture, let's write it in your own words in your copy. Then exercise A, question number 1 till 5. You will do these questions in your copy. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and understood this video. We will meet in our next video class.